In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend a line in Canva. If you've ever wanted a simple curve divider or a swoosh under a headline, Canva can do it in seconds. We'll create a line from text characters and then bend it with Canva's curve effect, which gives you clean, editable results. Start by opening Canva in your browser or the desktop app. Once you're in, open a template that fits your project. Anything from a social post to a presentation slide will work, and the technique is exactly the same no matter the size. Next, add a text box to your canvas. You can choose any font, though a regular weight works best for a smooth line. With the text box selected, click into it and type a series of underscore characters. Keep tapping the underscore key until the line reaches the length you want. Because this is text, you can resize the line by changing the font size, and you can keep it perfectly horizontal by checking the alignment guides as you move it. Now let's tidy up the spacing so it looks like one continuous stroke. With the underscore line selected, open the advanced settings for the text. Find the letter spacing control, then lower the spacing until the gaps between underscores disappear. A small negative or low value usually turns the string of underscores into a solid-looking line. With the spacing set, it's time to bend it. While the text is still selected, click Effects in the toolbar. In the Effects panel, choose Curve. You'll see a curvature slider appear. Drag the slider to adjust the bend. Sliding to the right creates a downward arc, and sliding to the left creates an upward arc. Move slowly and watch the live preview so you can match the exact curve you're after. If the arc feels too tight or too shallow, combine small curvature tweaks with small font size changes to fine-tune the look without introducing jagged edges. Finally, place your curved line where you need it, beneath a headline, around a photo, or as a simple accent. Because it's text, you can still change color from the text color control, duplicate it for consistent styling, or edit the length by adding or deleting underscores. And that's it. You opened Canva, chose a template, added text, typed underscores to make a line, adjusted the spacing, applied the curve effect, and tuned the curve level for a polished, flexible result.